What if the soul is not a belief, but a scientific fact? Modern physics tells us something extraordinary. The law of conservation of energy says energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can only transform. The great scientist Albert Einstein proved this with a single equation, E equal to mc square. Matter is frozen energy. But here is the shocker. 2500 years ago, an Indian sage had already said this. Maharshi Kannada, founder of the Vaisheshika school, said, all matter is made of paramanu, tiny indivisible particles. They combine to form everything. Around the same time in Greece, a man named Democritus did something radical. He took a piece of matter and kept cutting into smaller and smaller pieces until he could not cut it any further. When he looked inside the atom, he was surprised to see the structure of the entire universe, a nucleus with electrons revolving in orbits, just like planets around the sun. He has further experimented and realized that atoms cannot be destroyed. It is indestructible. He concluded the universe is made of atoms and empty space. Everything else is opinion. Now listen carefully. An ancient Hindu scripture named Bhagavad Gita said the same thing, but went even deeper. It used the word Advaita, which means no other. It named the essence as Atman and described it as Nainam chindanti shastrani, nainam dahati pavakah, na chainam kledayantyapo, na shochayati marutah. This means it cannot be destroyed by weapons, fire, water, and wind. It is indestructible, beyond birth and death. In a dream, you see a sun, a moon, ocean, people, but when you wake up, you realize everything was nothing but just you. In the same way, this waking world is also a dream. When true awakening happens, you realize there is nothing but you. You set the wood to fire and think it is destroyed. Only the form has changed from wood to coal and ash, but not even a single atom in the wood got destroyed. It is not the wood that burned, but the fuel existed in the wood, burned and transformed into another form of energy. There is no such thing called construction, destruction, birth, or death. This is not philosophy, this is not religion, this is the fact, science, and awakening.